Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that do not intersect. Parallel lines have the same slope if they have different y-intercepts. And here we have graphed two parallel lines. Each has a different y-intercept, and a way of summarizing this notation-wise would be to show that the slope of the first line is equal to the slope of the second line. Because of equal slopes, we know that the lines are parallel. To determine whether lines are parallel, compare the slopes. Equal slopes means the lines are parallel.